Guys, it's Falco Z on the Falco Z2 channel. That's right, I'm still saying that. It's not Falco Z2, it's just Falco Z on the Falco Z2 channel. Anyway, as you've heard from me a lot, I'm 17 years old doing A-levels right now. And I was quickly thinking about, like, for some reason I just had like a kind of daydream, I guess, about one of the teachers in my school, who used to be my history teacher while I did history and GCSE, him asking me like what the ranking easiest to hardest A-level papers that I do. I don't know why I was just thinking about that, but then I kind of put it in my dream of what I'd kind of say. Now I was like, hold on, wait, what would I actually put? So now I'm gonna share this with you because I guess it's important to me while just filming the ground, because I guess I just don't want to show my face because, well, forget showing my face. You've seen parts, if you've seen that, but whatever, waffling. You probably don't even remember that. So weird. Anyway, let's go from easiest to hardest with not too much explanation. So, okay, I do maths, physics, and chemistry. They each have 3 papers. Edexcel for maths, chemistry, physics, AQA. Just get out of the way. Yep, A-level year 13. I'm doing them right now. All right. Easiest paper, I say, is maths paper 1. Like, pure overall just has too much easy stuff. Like, it's usually going to be fine. I'm just making a swap to the list. I'm going to put chemistry paper 1 next as the next easiest. 2. Chemistry paper 2 is the next easiest. It's more based on my opinion because I think chemistry paper 2 is just easy. For me, organic and mechanisms and stuff, like, I just remember that stuff easy. And the physical they add on to that is like not too hard, so I got it. Third, which used to be second, but I just changed it now, maths paper 3, because sometimes stats can ruin you. But overall, if you have a fine stats and the mechanics usually good, then super easy paper, and you're just feeling happy. Yay. Fourth is physics paper 1, because first part of physics, year 1 content only, like, just light, like, not too much stuff that's hard. Get help from maths if you do maths as well. It's all good. Fifth one is chemistry paper 1, just because it's inorganic, it has a lot of memory stuff. The physical's not too crazy. Like, it's nothing too insane. It overall doesn't trip you up too much. It might just have like a big mark question, like 7 marker, or like, I don't know, something weird, like, hydrogen, oxygen, fuel cells. Definitely not just remembering this from the chemistry 1 paper I did recently, but, stuff like that. But overall, it's fine. Sixth easiest is, physics paper 2? Wait, no. Wait. Oh my goodness, no, I'm forgetting it. I did just say this once to myself before recording this. Well, now to think, wait. Oh yeah. Okay, it is chemistry paper 2. No, 1. No. Physics paper 3. Wait, how many papers do I have left? Wait, it said maths paper 1. Ooh, that's it. It's maths paper 2. I forgot to say that. Okay, this is so far below because it could sometimes just go south extremely, like, extremely insane, just like burn, crash, destroy you. Like, I feel like maths paper 1, maths paper 3, chemistry paper 2, they're overall not gonna do that. It's fine paper. Stats could, but I feel like you like super lock in on stats, or the stats is fine, then it's overall like nothing too crazy. But then physics paper 1 and chemistry paper 2, which were 5th and 4th easiest respectively, those could, oh wait, not chemistry. Damn it. No, chemistry paper 1 and chemistry paper 1 was 4th. Physics paper 1 was 5th. Those two have a higher chance of like tripping you up with something. Like, I remember for my mocks, physics paper 1, like, it annoyed me. And chemistry paper 1, yeah, it could definitely, as I was saying before, could definitely just ruin you. And then maths, which honestly, it's just, I don't want to put physics that low. That's why I'm putting maths here, because it could just go south and then like just ruined. Like the last 3 or 4 questions could just all be hard. The chance of that is just too scary. You have to just factor that in. Even though maths paper 2 could definitely just be third easiest, and all the maths could just be the easiest ones or something. But just because of the fact that sometimes physics and chemistry paper 1s, you know, they might be fine sometimes. So overall, like maths, like if it's a bad one, way worse than the physics paper 1 and chemistry paper 1. Like spooky. And I have that tomorrow because I'm filming this on June 11th. So ooh. All right, the top 3 hardest or 7th easiest, but now I'm gonna say top 3 hardest. So the third hardest is physics paper 3, because of practicals. Sometimes they can just ask some extremely random stuff where you haven't gone through the practicals enough, like just gonna mess up or not remember something or just say some like stupid stuff. It's like, especially for me, I'm just kind of bad at it as well, but like they can always make it weird. So just gotta practice that, go through the stuff. And then turning points, which is the part I do, which is 3D, that's all on memory. So if you like forget stuff, you're kind of cooked. But that's why it can kind of be easy, but like same time they're gonna try their hardest to like mix you up, obviously. So ooh, but I'm not sure how the others are. They're probably a bit harder. That's why my teacher chose turning points for us to do, because it relates to stuff we've done like more than the others. Second hardest is chemistry paper 3. Why? Because practicals, again, annoying, weird stuff. I'm bad at it. It has multiple choice though, so that's why it's easier than the hardest one, physics paper 2, which I've done, and it wasn't that hard, but it's still the hardest overall because of the topics and just how it goes sometimes. Was I really filming my feet that whole time? Damn. Alright. Yeah, physics paper 2. From the past, it's just gone insane. Like, I remember in the mocks, like, I just wanted to kill myself doing physics paper 2. And then the real thing was fine. That's crazy. Because they didn't put the hard stuff in. But overall, it's the most hard things. Like, imagine getting, like, 3 long questions of just ass. Like, oh my goodness. Like, in a way, maths paper 2, technically, if you have, like, 3 questions of ass, like, they could just be 4 and 5 markers. Or if you got an easy 8 marker before or something. This stuff, no. Physics ain't gonna be like that. So, yeah. Hopefully you remember my weird order. From hardest to easiest, just to make it more confusing, saying again. Physics paper 2, and then chemistry paper 3, and then physics paper 3, and then maths paper 2, then physics paper 1, then chemistry paper 1, then maths paper 3, then chemistry paper 2, and maths paper 1. The chemistries are a little lower than I thought overall, but it's more just me. I'm bad at chemistry. But physics is harder, and I like recognize that now fully, that like I'm just worse at chemistry, which is, I don't know, just, you know, just because easiest to hardest of the subjects is maths, chemistry, physics doesn't mean I'm doing best in maths, then chemistry, then physics. Just swap chemistry and physics. But anyway, that's my list. Also, you may be wondering why some things are shorts. This might even be a short. It's because I can't freaking get it to be like an actual video. I don't want to actually even post shorts. Like, I guess it's better to get around people, you know, how shorts be now. But like, maybe some things will be shorts, but something like this, I definitely don't want it to be a short. But some are going to become a short, and it's going to be like, oh, 5 minute short, that's not short. And it's like, like what's happening? Even 1 or 2 minute shorts. Shorts would be like 30 minutes or less. But like, somehow they're becoming videos. Like, I'm making 1 or 2 minute stuff, and they're making them become shorts, and I'm like, bro, what? It's just like, yeah. Anyway, yeah, see you guys.